Mr. Merote, bakit hanggang ngayon wala tayong palaman? Tagal ko na sinasabi sa inyo, September pa. Tagal. First fire, blue team! Raul Abena. Jay Singh. First fire to Jay. Romel Teresiano. Rino, brother siya. Frank Asis. Frank! Tingnan ka ba? White! Arnold Palo! Wow! Wow! Woo! Taas kamay. Next! Marcial ako. First time ka? Wally Sugi! Brother siya. Next! Ken Gonzalez. Next! Jun Peralta. Okay, kali na. Pagka may reklamo kayo, may security guard kayo dito, ha? Ito, yan. Security guard yan. Ayusin lang, itrata lang ng mga square. Ang nasa ATR square. Uy, mama, mag-t-shirt ka naman. Mama, let's go! Done. Get the ball. Pastorino for 2. Wow. Ayos nyo, ha? Nakabito kayo. So get the ball, pass to Peralta. Oh! Bola lang. Frank Asis takes a shot again on the ball. Peko Debre. Jay Babaka, Jay. Abena, no good. Again on the ball. Pass to Suge. Suge to Palo. Mr. Shot. Abena on the go. Pass. Back. Suge under recovery. 3-on-3. Foul. Sing. Taas kamay. Huwag ka naman reklamo. Uli ka naman eh. Follow on the ball. Ken. Peko hesitates. Ken again. Peralta for 2. No good. Sugi on the rebound. Ken pass. Diretso. Foul. There's a foul. Basket counter up. No good. We don't have continuation. It's on the ground. Sabi na referee, no good. Jay on the rebound. Long pass. To Abena. Pass to Frank. Block shot. Huli ni Kuya. There's a For your information, bawal si Pai ng bola. Abena. Jay, rebound. Woo! Sugi on the ball. Passes to Peko. Hesitates. Labas kayo, labas. Follow on the strong move. Passes to Peralta. There's a foul. Foul number 21. Second team foul. Uy! Hindi pumasok. Bago sa pass na, Jordan number 7, tawag dyan si yung son-in-law niya, nagtatrabaho sa Nike, gusto niya, nag-discount. Kaya, yun pa rin. Track for good pass. Assist by assist. Ken on the ball. Make it strong. Pass to Pecco. Round now again. Ken for 2. Yes. Got the lucky bounce. Sure as well. May mga pagkain dito sa table, kaso walang palaman eh. Meron akong matagal nang nire-request dito, nasa table. Trabaho niya yung palaman, pero hanggang ngayon. Ginawa niya. There's a foul, there's a foul. Ano? Double team. Wow. Yan. Lakas. Sino pa na? Thank you. Sugil at 2 fouls. Willie Hernandez. Pass to Gaston. Kaligdan for 2. Alright. Again. Foul. Casters. Taas ka, my friend. Thank you. Foul number 25. Inuulit ko lang, may pagkain dito sa table. Inuulit ko lang ha, may pagkain dito sa table kaso walang mga palaman. Kaya na lang maghahanap ng palaman yun. Ganda tayo kahirap mga Golden Boys, diyan na makakuha ng palaman dito. Nice one. Jay, libre. Ang lakas.
Dallas Smith, Mike, welcome to the house. Sana magpag-ilaw ka natin.
Willie Hernandez. Gascon passes to Mr. Automatic. Layo na pasa. Willie Hernandez again on the ball. Parang nakakasilaw dito. Masyado makita. Jay. Tries again. Noli on the ball. Passing to Japan. Uy! May contact, may contact. Taas ka ba? Dalawa na ang foul mo, Jay. Lang. Japan on the ball. Passes. Susugi. Nice. Duhon. Wow. Mandurukot yun. Gary on the ball. Berto. Jay, good rebound, Jay. Gascon! Shoot mo naman! Ay! Blue ball. Why? Penalty na kayo, ha? Huwag nang maliliit ang mga kamay nyo. Penalty na kayo. Jude Peralta, sabihin mo sa mga teammates mo. The younger Castros on the ball. Follow. Uy! Follow one step too many. That's on the inbound. Willie Hernandez. Uy, tumingin na si Gaston. Castros. Follow. Uy, mamot. The score is 11-6. Wow. Blue ball. Anong tinitingin nyo? Blue ball. Uy, umihit. Nagsiyar lang. Apa yan? Wow! Woo! Brother ko yun, brother ko. 1-0 for 3. Peko, bawal ba yan, ha? Number 46. Ang tawag doon, rich in foul. Yan. Maliwanag, ha? Castros for rebound. Peko, Aluwerte. Aluwerte yung tawag. Sa loob at sa labas, Aluwerte. Frank. The assist. Uy! Ano nangyari no? Bakit ka napayan? Mahaba? Napagod na siya kasi mahaba. Bawal yan lang sa simbahan kayo. Tumigil na kayo. Follow! 10 for 2. Automatic yan. Sumakay pa kayo. Drummer on the ball. Passes to Wano. Abena. Nice shot. Foul. Uy! After that, Okay, asang dala. Peko na naman. Aliwete. Aliwete rin si Gali. Puro kayo aliwete. One. Wow! Radar ko yan. Kabing naman. Follow on the ball, passes to Castres, the younger Castres. Abena. Uy! Uy! Hindi pumasok. Ken, takes a shot. Lakas ni Abena. Uy! What's the call, right? White ball, white ball. Sana, nagkagay na. Ano yun? Middle name mo, kalbo? Sino tawag sa'yo? Ano ba? What's the call, right? The score is 10-8. 21-10. Ano mo na? Follow the inbound pass to Ken Gonzalez, ladies and gentlemen. Sugit hesitates, takes the shot. That's good. Lakas. Passes to Puerto. Uy! What's the call, right? What's the call, right? White ball lang, white ball. Nagtatanong lang naman. Ken on the ball. Takes a shot for 2. Ayun na. Kayo mga blue, kala nyo ha? Pag nag-init si Ken, mainit yan. Abena gets the ball. Take it strong. Wow. May banay pa yun ha. Last pa yun. Banay pa. Sugit takes it strong. Puerto on the rebound. Back to Castro. That's going to double team. Sugit on the rebound. Takes it down court. Takes it down court. Takes a shot. Wow. Hernandez on the ball, passes to Jay. Ang layo! Woo! Wow! Pwede na, pwede na. Pwede na bisa. Ken on the ball. Guarded heavily by Gascon. Wow! Oy! Huli, huli, huli. Loose ball foul, there's a foul. Taas kamay, Brad. Okay lang yan. Taas kamay. I-acknowledge mo, taas kamay. O, di ba rin yan, makintap naman. Follow pass to Sugi. Hesitates. There's a foul. Who's foul, huh? 34. Jay. Ilan na si Jay? Jay, 3 fouls, blue, warning for penalty. Ayusin nyo, disiplinahin kami sarili nyo. Wow! A rainbow coming from the sky. Isa pa, Brad. Isa pa. Wow! Kaya pala kanina pa nag-i-ensayo yung tao. Yung pala yun. Benny, 3 fouls ka na ha? nasa kay Ken. Automatic na yan. Ken, tama na yung 30 points ha, Ken. 30 points lang, Ken. The score is Willie Hernandez, Brato, free! Follow on the pass, back to Ken. Pass to Sugi, takes the shot. Jay on the rebound. Tatlong fouls ka na ha, Brad. Dami yan. Ready? Nag-isip tumira. Hernandez, passes the ball. Lakas ba? Malakas. Tira mo na yun. Bago sa patos mo eh. Tira mo na yun. Oy! Paolo Bena ha, ilan na si Raul? Dalawa. Brad, dalawa na ha. Apat ka na lang. Paolo, mukhang pagod na pagod na si Paolo ha. Wow, galing. Galing. Pasok. Huwag ka lang titingin sa camera. Dito ka eh. Shoot na lang. Sino? Ay, gano'n na camera. Nice! 2 for 2. Arnold Paolo. Willie Hernandez takes the ball. Passes to Brato. Ready. Takes a shot. Nako. The score is 26-20. Lakas! Done! One off! Free! Yes! 2 points lang yun. 2 points lang yun. 2 points lang. Talagang binudukot sa ilalim yun. Talagang pang NBA. Pero FIBA lang tayo, Brad. FIBA lang. Ayun na! Ayun na! Tumira siya. Bueno sa mga... Pwede mo! Frankie! Yes! Okay ka lang, Brad? Okay lang. Okay, shoot naman eh. Okay lang yan. Shoot naman eh. Pumasok naman. Mandikit ang guardia ni Kuya Robert. Nadali sa tenga si Mr. Malo. Uy! Ang pipita naman pasa. Grabe. Parang pon-pon. Ken on the ball. Passes to Malo. Passes to Peko. Uy! Kulang. Huli, Brad. Huli yun. Hindi po pwede yung gano'n. Huli yun. Ang tawag doon, professional tulak. Okay? Huwag mo nang gagawin yun. Huli kayo doon. Ang mga referees natin, professional yan. Tandaan nyo. Uy! Okay. Paano na naman? Kung pa naman yan? Paano? Tatlo ka na. Ayusin mo. Assist on the rebound. Passes to Kalimdan. Dalag rapid Paolo. He's gonna take it hard. Oh, yeah. Oy! Ang tarang doon, good foul. Pero sa mukha mo tinira si Jay. Makakahalata na ako, tinitira si Jay sa mukha. Huwag naman ganun. Rock on the ball! Uy! huli. Uy, good ball. Labas kayo, labas, labas. Aligdan, uy. Yung contact. Jay on the putback. Woo! Dami ng points si Jay. Ken on the ball. Passes to Malo. Sugit. Nice shot. Using the glass. I mean, the fiberglass. Passes. Back to Asis. Signal to play. Passes to Gary. One, oh. Labas, labas kayo. Frank 4-2. No good. Ken on the ball. Gary, Hebrew, tatlo kayo dyan. Passes to Peko. Peko taking the shot. No good. Sugit passes to Ken. Mr. Automatic. Checks out the score. Feliciano on the ball. Alright. Nice side step. Coming down. Front. Beyond the arc. Beyond the arc. There's a foul. There's a foul. Taas kamay, Brad. Taas kamay. Huwag na mainit ang ulo. Sino foul, Brad? Thank you very much. White warning for penalty. Behave yourself. Wow! Galing naman nila. Si Quentin na ba, Brad? Wow! Passes to Jay! Bakit pabalik? Doon ang court nyo. Huwag kang papasok ng gano'n. Ken on the ball. Oh, tatlo kayo dyan. Follow. Follow. Follow ulit. Ay! There's no call. There's no call. Frank on the ball. Uy! Nakahalata na ako sa inyo. Abena! Hold the ball. Passes to Gascon! Wow! May tinatago si Gascon na gano'n ah. Ay naku. One-dimensional yung tao. Ken takes it hard! Uy! What's the call, Red? What's the call? Oh, pusher. Bawal tayong pusher dito sa gym, Red. Wala pusher dito. Sige, bawal yun. Table stop. Table. Peko. Good. Bago yata sa panos ni Peko. Makahalata na ako. Frank. Passes. Huli. Ken again. Ken on the ball. So, very strong. On the rebound, foot back. Grabe. Ken, 30 lang. Tama ni 30 Ken, ha? Sapan natin na. 30 lang. Really on the ball. Taking the shot, passes to Frank. The younger Castres on the ball. Ken on the ball. Nagigit na si Ken. The younger Castres. Maraka! Take the shot! Woo! Wala ba foul? Nagkahanap ng foul niya Morate. Willie on the ball. Willie on the ball. Passes to Asis. Nice move! Very good. Suge passes to Peko. Wow! Nice beat. Willie to Gascon. Abena. Strong. 2. Labang foul rin. Sugi. Gascon. Foul Gascon. Ang... Oh, ha? Narinig mo? Sa lahat daw ng ginawa mo, huwag mo nang ulitin. Sugi, on the ball. Takes the shot. Nice, Sugi. Again. Willie on the ball. Willie on the ball. Nakakasilaw naman dito. Ayusin mo mo kasi. Silaw na mga announcer dito. Doon pala sa audience, may nakakasilaw yun. Frank. Brento. No good. Frank to Asus. Wow! Asus again. Uy! Ah. Number 9. Taas ang kamay. Right. Oy, penalty na kayo mga puti, ha? Tandaan nyo, ayusin nyo. Frankfurt. Wala pa rin. Astra sa the rebound. Good. Taraka! Uy! Magal. Hindi pwede yung Brad. Nice try, pero hindi pa pwede yun. Gascon, takes a shot. Wala pa rin. Lakas naman ng Bailey. Tandaan nyo, ha? Uy, tumingin na spell ko, oh. Pasok, oh. Wow. Grabe yung spell ko. Galing. Nice pass. Vertical. Second again. Uy! May contact. Taas ka, my brad. Taas ka. Thank you. Malayo pa kayo, Brad. Gonzalo on the inbound. Passing the ball to Sugi. And Peralta! Wow! Sayang, Brad. Woo! Sayang naman. Property ng school yan. Tayo dyan. Sinisipay kayo mo. And on the ball, watch closely by Kuya Romel. Passes to Sugi. Back to... Oh. Palo on the recovery. Back to Castres. Ayan to Castres. Palo! Ang lakas! Malakas. Brad. Passes to ano. Thinking about taking the shot. Huli ko na. Gary on the strong side. Pasok pa rin. Ladies and gentlemen, yung tinatawag na Eurostep. Okay? Panawarin tayo na. Sugi takes the ball. Wow. Lakas, Brad. Lakas. Romel. Passes to Kaligdan. Kinuha ni Asis. Pinasa kay Wano. Balik kay Kaligdan. Eurostep ulit. Wala, hindi pumasok. Sugi. Wow, nice pass. Wow. Hoy, bilisan nyo. May 10 seconds ulit tayo. Okay. Dito ka na, Brad. Para mahimas masakap na. Huli bola. Uy! Nagbawi ni Sig. Pinasa ka nawan. Kaligdan on the ball. Thinking about shooting. Passes to Frank Asis. Uy! Kaligdan again! Hindi pumasok. Palok to Sugi. Back to Ken. Romel on the ball. Passes to Wano. Takes the shot. My God. Stretch. Gaya. Ladies and gentlemen, that's the youngest vice president of all. Uy! Pasok na pa! Bawal yun. Right, 2. Sub? No, sub. That's Frank. Sugi on the ball. Back to younger Castras. Pass to Palo. Pinilit! Nakuha pa nila. Ases, something ang bola. What's the call, right? What's the call? Shot. White ball. Meron dito sausage, malamig na. Suge for 2. Oh, no, good ball. What's the call, Rep? Walang call, natanggal lang ang pustiso. Relax lang kayo, pustiso lang yun. Na-dislodge lang ang pustiso, ganun ang tawag doon. Ayan na, okay pa naman siya eh. Okay. Texas siya, pumapasok pa nga tira. Kaya naman ang... Relax lang kayo. Alright, carry on the ball. Laro lang. Asas to Peralta. Bago sapatos. 7 na 7. Uy! Galing! Number 9, wearing Jordan number 7. Ladies and gentlemen, bago sapatos siya. Kaligdan. Frank Ases. Gascon, ikaw take the shot. Uy, huli! Nice pass. Ken for 2! Nakas. Uy! Wow! Namasok. Usa foul. Apat palo ha. Kahit nakatayo ka, pagka may contact pa rin, Brad. Ano natin yun? Cylinder ang tawag doon. Okay? Cylinder. Sir, reps up. Okay lang? Ay, hindi lang. Sabi ng rep, no? Hindi lang. Hindi ka tayo ng rep. Hindi ka tayo. Sorry. Lakas! Follow the rebound. Lakas doon! Wala pa rin foul. There's no call. Play on. Aben ha. Okay. Cannon the ball, passes to Malo. For General Malo. Nahanap na mapapasahan. Walang mapapasahan! Nakagawin pa! Ano ba? What's the call? Foul, Labena. Taas kamay, Brad. Ayan. Tatlo ka na, ha? Tahan na, Brad. Pwede sub, Brad. O yan, tahan ka na, Brad. Sub. Time out pa kayo? Time out, Blue. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Follow the inbounds, passes to Ken. Ayun pa lang na mawawala si puti, si Dennis, ano? Wala pa rin. Uy! Tuloy! There's no call, Brad. There's no call. Abena for 2. Pagka walang tawag, huwag na kayo magpilit, Brad. That is so strong, Brad. Very strong. Ayun na, may break. Eko, ayaw magpasa. Uy! Take the shot. Wala pa rin. Walang foul. Walang foul yun, Brad. Baba kayo. Balik na, takes the shot. There's a foul. Taas naman, Brad. Taas naman. Who's the foul, rep? Thank you very much. Thank you. 7-0 on the foul. .3:36 remaining in the game. Wow! Woo! Gary Calagdan aiming for his last shot. For good. Peralta on the ball. Passes to Peko. Passes to Sugi. Back to Peko. Takes a shot. No good. Hernandez on the rebound. Passes to Asus. Asus sticking up, taking the shot. He did. No good. There's a foul, right? There's a foul. There's a foul. Let's go, let's go, Uy! There's a contact, there's a contact. Who's the foul, huh? 4-6, Abena. Warning, Brad, ha? Tinatakbo mo yung view ng camera. Hindi namin makita. Pagbuka. Ken. Takes a shot. Good. Hernandez on the rebound. Pasa na kagad yun. Follow on the ball. Pasa to Sugi. Back to Ken. There's a foul. There's a foul. Kaligtan. Ken, last shot. All right. Abena. Gets it strong. Takes a shot. For 2. Walang foul. Hernandez on the guard. Tatlo kayo dyan. Peko recovers, takes a shot. Oh my God. Galing naman nun. Asus on the ball. Give it a shot back to Hernandez. Oh. Downstairs. Winding down, Brad. Let's go, mapo ka, hindi ka na makita. Balik ka ng lakas. Oo. Isa pa. Palo! Our first graduate of the night, number 51, Arnold Palo. First shot is good. Sir, may award pa tayo ng graduate for today? Graduate, may award tayo? O, meron. Okay, Palo, makakatanggap ka at yan ang tagayin ng surprise of the commissioner. Meron dito mga pagkain mo ng palman. Help yourself. Cassius, libre! Abay na on the rebound. Sabi mo sa akin, wala. That's a foul. Number 9. White team penalty. Peralta with the new shoes, tatlong fouls na brad, ha? Kahit na bago sapatos mo, tatlong na fouls mo. First shot is no good. As his last shot is good. Score is? What's the score? June for 2, no good. Aligtan on the rebound. Back to Hernandez. Aligtan back to Asis. Pasahan niyo si Jay, pinapapasahan si Jay. Wow! That, my friend, is what you call the dagger. Suge, to 3! Lakas, brother, lakas. Abena! Pinagsaltik-saltik ang bola. Takes the shot. No good. Buhay pa. Asis for Kaligtan. Nice pass! Dito mga talon eh. Walang ka naman. Ano yun? Tapos na? Ano nangyari? Congratulations! Anong team niyo? Anong team mo? Team B. Congratulations, Team B! You are the next contestant on the prize